Okay, so here we go. If you're logging in for the first time, you're going to go to fusestudio.net, and you can see that that is listed on your screen right here, fusestudio.net. It's also linked. You're going to sign in with Google. So you'll go ahead and select your sign in. Obviously, I'm me. And then it will sign you in, and then it will ask you for a studio code. Because I am the teacher, I don't have to put in a studio code. You will see up here in the corner, or actually, I think it pops right up on your screen where it says, "What is the studio code?" You're going to type it in. It does not matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, unlike when we use Bitly's in class. You can put it in as lowercase or uppercase, and it's all good. And then there are spaces between the words and the numbers. So a sample studio code, and this is totally made up, just making stuff up, right? Looking around my desk, might be microphone glasses 294. So it would be microphone space glasses space 294. That'll get you in. Then you'll have a dashboard that looks like this. It'll show you who's working on what, where people are at, that kind of thing. You then have the option to go ahead and just look at open challenges, and you can see what things are available to you to work on. So for you guys, for right now, it's going to be Beats Builder, Skeleton Pet, and Look No Hands, at least if you're watching this at the start of the class. So that's what I've got for you on here on just how to log in to see what you're doing.